Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall multiple programs at once easily in 2024. In Control Panel Program and Features, you can't uninstall multiple programs at once. Download and install the iObit Uninstaller software. Open iObit Uninstaller. Now select the multiple programs you want to uninstall. Click Uninstall. Check mark the boxes. Again click Uninstall. It takes a few minutes to uninstall. See programs uninstalled successfully. Let's check from the control panel. See its remove. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.